Start by losing control of your emotions. Let every minor inconvenience or different opinion feel like a personal attack. Be a professional victim of bad vibes. If you aren't outraged by a stranger's comment, you aren't doing it right. Give your peace away for free to anyone who asks for it. Next, marinate your brain in garbage. Seek out the hate bait, the doom scrollers, and the end of the world clips. Let the algorithm dictate your mood. Spend your hours arguing with bots in the comments while your own goals sit on pause. If the content doesn't make you anxious or angry, keep scrolling. Never take responsibility. If you're broke, lonely, or bored, it's a conspiracy against you. Blame the economy, your parents, or the system. As long as it's someone else's fault, you never have to do the hard work of changing. Stay exactly where you are and wait for a rescue that isn't coming. Trade your future for an aesthetic. Buy things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. Build a perfect digital version of yourself while the real you rots in the dark. Protect your ego. Never try anything where you might look like a noob. If you aren't immediately good at it, quit. Stay in your hometown, hang out with the same 3 people who haven't changed since high school, and wait for a sign to start your life. Tell everyone your big plans at the bar so you get the praise without actually doing the work. Stay angry, stay distracted, and stay comfortable. Your time is up. You're doing great.